Gee, so where are we leaving?
We're leaving Hiva Oa to go to Tea Island H Bay.
That's what everybody calls it?
That's what everyone calls it because you can't pronounce any of these Marquesian names. The problem is that on Tea Island, every bay starts with an H. So we're not really sure which one.
Tell us a little bit about how long were we in Hiva Oa?
We were in Hiva. What day is it today?
Today's May 6th.
But it's Friday. Okay, we've been in Hiva Oa for 8 days.
Okay.
We've been in Hiva Oa for 8 days. We got there Thursday night, engineless, and we finally got our starter motor yesterday from the airport. Put it in last night and left this morning.
So 20 days at sea, 8 days
In Hiva
of rest.
Oa.
Are you ready to keep on moving, or are we kind of on the schedule? What's the plan here?
We probably are on a schedule, but I can see why island time is a thing. I could have easily stayed in Hiva Oa for like another month. It's just so peaceful and the people are so nice and welcoming. We met nothing but generosity while we were there. I have a feeling we'll be back at some point, but you can't really swim in the water. It's kind of murky, so I am pretty pumped to go for a little snorkel.
All right.
We finally made it somewhere where the water was actually warmer and definitely bluer, so we wasted no time jumping in.
Won't you come and be my honey? Won't you be mine, please? I'll be sitting under the trees, baby. Don't you wanna come meet with me? You and I are like honeybees. We fly around the town. So let's leave.
I almost ran into you. I was like, holy shit, that's a longer way up than I expected. And then I see you coming out of nowhere. Wow, that's pretty deep. I'm pretty proud of myself. I just relax, and if you just zen out, really just, it helps. You gotta just chill and not think about it.
Like a blood fly.
It's hard. What is that?
Ew, I just smushed it.
So Gina's having a little bit of trouble because what's falling out of our fridge?
Coconuts. We have a coconut problem. So I'm gonna consume it.
Gina's pretty happy when she's got all this tropical fruit around. What are our snacks for the day, G?
Oh. Alright, well, we're gonna have a grapefruit.
How big is this grapefruit?
It's the size of my head. We're gonna have this grapefruit.
It's pretty large.
Yeah, actually here, let's show this. It's amazing. Watch how beautiful this is.
Like brought to you by Fatu Energy. That way you can see the size difference.
Oh, okay. We don't even drink those because we have coconuts and they have all the electrolytes and sugar that you need. Look at that. Oh,
Yeah, that's really good.
not beautiful.
All right, I'm ready to eat some.
Okay.
After a little bit of lunch and one more snorkel, it was time to get on to the boat chores.
Battery's exploding.
Wait, what?
This battery's just expanding.
What is going on?
So,
Oh my God.
2 of them. So, we're thinking, going through our list of projects we had to do. We wanted to take it easy, so we skipped through a lot of them. We decided to change the battery on the clock. And sure enough, as soon as I start touching it, these screws just fall apart and just disintegrate. So,
Because that's like how boat projects work,
that's
right?
how boat projects work. We just wanted to share, you know,
even the simplest
that
thing.
even though we're here in paradise, like changing the battery on the clock is gonna be a little extra complicated. It's just a little harder. But then you just get back on out there and life is good. So let's just get this fixed.
Good thing we don't really need to know what time it is ever. Oh. When you don't know how to tie a knot, tie a lot, right?
Yeah.
After 2 days in Tahuata, or Tea Island, we made the 10-hour sail to Fatu Hiva. We were excited to catch up with some friends, hike a waterfall, and hopefully stock up on some local fruit before leaving the Marquesas.
The eel? No, I didn't see it. Yeah, it's pretty big. I can see it. I can't really see it on the camera. All right, here you go. You got this. 1, 2, 3.
What are we eating?
All right, we're getting ready to go to the Tuamotus. Taking care of some last minute cleanup. Jose, what are you doing?
Setting up our badge. We're officially cruising in the Pacific when you got bananas hanging off the back of your boat.
How did we get those bananas?
Traded some rope and a soccer ball with some very friendly locals.
We got a whole bunch of bananas
As a matter of fact,
and grapefruit.
if you're going to be cruising through the Pacific they are looking for soccer balls, soccer shoes, fishing hooks, walkie-talkies. They don't have to be VHF, just those regular cheap Motorola walkie-talkies.
Not soccer shoes, just tennis shoes. Any
Tennis shoes, but they're
tennis
looking for
shoes.
sneakers. And wood carving tools, because they use those to create things that then they sell. And that's they don't accept money. They don't want francs. They want a trade, and they're very clear about that. So if you want to make some friends when they make you feel welcome, that's the way to give back.
Advice from Jose. All right, let's see. What else do we have to do? We got to get our dinghy and our outboard in the boat, on the boat. We have to fix up that messy sail, get it up, close all those hatches. We still have a bit of a mess down here. These are the rest of our fruits that we got from today. Aren't those delicious? Super yum. All right, cleanup time.
Leaving the Marquesas, we couldn't have predicted the adventure that awaited us. Stay tuned as we rescue fishermen from an uninhabited island and spend a week with them, living like locals. Until next time.